Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Brasovan, board certified obstetrician and gynecologist in practice in Northwest Indiana since 1968, and I am still practicing. We're all under attack. We're in a war with COVID-19, the minute little speck of virus that is threatening the humanity. In this time, it is very important that we follow all the instructions from the CDC, social distancing, self-quarantine if we need to, stay at home, practice appropriate hygiene, hand washing, surface disinfecting, and all things recommended by CDC. However, there is other things that we can do while we're at home to improve our health, resistance to the disease, by improving our immune system, by appropriate dieting. Stay away from the sugar, lowers the immune system. By appropriate thinking, stay away from panic. Panic causes chronic stress. Chronic stress lowers the immune system because it depletes the adrenal glands that are crucial in your immune system functions. And there are many other ways of improving the health without going into the panic, without going to the physician's office. How can we improve our immune system? Healthy living and drinking plenty of water. Everything in the body responds to the vibratory levels. Our body is vibrational sea. Everything is happening to the vibrations of atomic structures in our body. So, looking to the vibratory levels, our immune system is vibratory system that goes from our nerves into our cells and improves functions of the cells. Water is a main factor in this function. There is an ancient Oriental medicine, part of medical system called acupuncture. Perhaps most of you know what this is all about. It is placing the small needles into certain spots of our skin, activating our nervous response to it, activating our immune system, and taking care of lots of symptoms. However, in acupuncture, we use needles, and you have to go to the doctor's office to have it done. We came across to better way to do it. No needles at all. Using electromagnetic frequency, extremely low electromagnetic frequency patches. I have been using electromagnetic frequency for quite a long time. I have been using them in post-surgical patients as a pain control in adjunct to the regular pain medication. Those patients use 5 to 7 pills in post-surgical cases, comparing to 40 to 60 pills those who did not have patches. I reported those findings in 2018 at European Congress of Integrative Medicine in Ljubljana, Slovenia, and in 2019 in Barcelona, Spain. Those extremely low electromagnetic frequencies work on a cellular level to increase immunity, to increase well-being of the cell. We have 32 trillion cells in our body. If we can make them happy, we are healthy. So, we noticed also that by applying those patches in an area of acupuncture points, which are the area of the skin where lots of nerves kind of gather together, and by placing the needle with acupuncture in those areas, The nerve stimulation stimulates the cell process as well as well-being of the organs. There are two particular spots right here where the junction of the collarbone comes with a junction of breastbone, or we call it clavicle and sternum medically. Right in that little junction underneath there are two spots that are responsible for immune system stimulation as well as the well-being of the lungs. If we place those patches on those two spots, that will create the same effect as needle placement in acupuncture. Patches have no needles, have no medication, they have no herbal supplements, they're plain electromagnetic frequency. They're made out of the silicone that is infused with the titanium salt, which makes it duped semiconductor. Duped semiconductors are same thing that makes our cell phones, our computers, and all our electronics function appropriately because they do retain memory of the frequencies indefinitely. That being said, we can indeed utilize new approach to acupuncture that you can do at home without going to the doctor's office for acupuncture to increase your immune system, just by following the instructions of the common charts that you can find on the internet, and we will post them also with this presentation, and effectively improve your health, well-being, and hopefully beat that son of a gun called COVID-19. I am also, except being a physician, CEO and the president and medical director of Bioresonance Applied Systems. Bioresonance Applied Systems is a company that coordinates the research of this nature and also distributing bioresonance systems. So we do have patches that will be more than happy to distribute them to you. We are offering 30% discount, and we hope that will help you keeping your well-being and keeping you well altogether. So God bless you. Keep well.